All right, let's get a check on that forecast now, Ashley. We definitely want to stay inside with the temperatures.
Oh yeah, these temperatures downright brutal is the way to describe them. Not only for today, but for the next several days where we see plenty of sunshine. As we head into the weekend, we will start to see temperatures lower by a couple of degrees, but still above average. And even as we head into the end of this weekend, into the next work week, the triple-digit heat taking no time off. And when it comes to rain, have a very, very slim chance for tomorrow. Otherwise, hot and dry conditions once again for your Tuesday. Going to be in that excessive heat warning as well as a heat advisory if you're in those areas in the orange until tonight. We're going to see temperatures up to 108 if you're in those areas with that excessive heat warning. Areas including that heat advisory, not much better, up to 105. So taking a look at radar right now, it's a mostly quiet picture. We have a couple of showers and storms off to the south of us, but as for what we're seeing in central Texas, much of like what we've seen the last several days, a quiet start to the day. And now we have that sun up in downtown Temple, and we're seeing clear and quiet conditions, and temperatures also starting off on the warmer side in the upper 70s. But with that humidity, as that wind coming from the south is feeling a couple of degrees above that. 82 degrees as you head out the door. 83 if you're heading out in Killeen is what it feels like. 88 if you're heading out in Waco this morning. So definitely going to want to get that AC going, because with that muggy meter, that yucky meter at very high, not only for this morning, but all throughout the rest of your Tuesday. We're going to see temperatures in the upper 90s by the time we get into noon, 106 plus by the time you head home from work. So we've been on the record board breaking those record high temperatures for the last 4 days. It doesn't look like we will go 5 for 5 today. A little bit of good news. It looks like we'll fall just below it because we got to get to 109 by the time we get into this afternoon. Now, we've had a downright dry month here for July. Some big reason why this drought wander is looking like this. And in those areas where you see that extreme and exceptional drought, that's especially where those grass fire threats are the highest right now. Now, a little bit of good news, even though the heat doesn't look like it's going to take any time off, we could get a little bit of rain to help out with that drought situation. Just about a 20% chance, however, and any rain we do get is going to come on your Wednesday afternoon, going to be very isolated in nature, mainly off to our eastern zones, but a couple areas further west could get a little bit lucky and get some of those showers as well. Now, when it comes to how much rain we need to really help out with that drought situation, of course, we need that soaking rain. And that doesn't quite look like it's going to happen, only picking up 2/10 to 3/10 of an inch. And some of our higher totals are going to be in those areas further east, of course, where there's still a grass threat, but not as high further west. But any rain we could get will just be stellar at this point.